Okay, now it's time to start transferring files into your Goflex Home. When you created your account, your Goflex Home automatically created 3 folders: a public folder, a personal folder, and your backup folder. You share the public folder with everyone on your network, which makes it easy to share files with everyone in the family. You can also access any media files in the public folder from DLNA and UPnP AV devices, such as game consoles and the cool new Blu-ray players. Your personal folder is just that, your personal folder. Only you can access the files that are stored here, and you can access them from anywhere you have web access. But then, you knew that. Anyway, the backup folder is where your computer or computers stores the automatic backup files you create with the Memio backup software. There's detailed information on that process in the Backing Up Your PC video in Tips and Tricks. So now it's time to get your files into your public or personal folders, or both. First, let's launch the Seagate dashboard. Once the dashboard is open, your first option is to locate the Load Content icon in the dashboard. Next to it is a link that says Get Started. Just click on that link. A screen pops up and tells you about the different folders that have been mapped as drive letters on your PC, and that you need to open Windows Explorer to transfer files to your folders. So let's click on the button and get started. Now on the left of your screen is a list of drives and folders available on your computer. If you don't see a list of drives, simply click on the little arrow to the left of Computer and the list of drives should drop down. You'll notice that your Goflex folders are now lettered just like your computer drives. So let's call them drives for now, just to avoid confusion. Now if you click on your local disk C, you'll see a list of folders on your C drive in the right-hand pane. One way to move files to any drive on the Goflex Home is to left-click on the folder and just drag it over. This will copy the folder to the Goflex Home. You can also copy files to your Goflex by using copy and paste. First, right-click on the folder you want to copy, then from the drop-down menu, select Copy. Then right-click on whichever Goflex drive you'd like. From the drop-down menu, select Paste. The Copy Files box will pop up and show the progress of the copy process. Now what if, like me, you have more than one computer on your home network? Well, that's easy too. If it's a Mac computer, just review the Tips and Tricks video on Install and Setup on a Mac. If it's another PC, just use the installation CD on your other computer and go through the same installation process. If that computer is used by someone else in the household, you should set up a new username and password, and they'll have their own personal and backup folders. Remember that they'll share the public folder with you, so it's easy to transfer files between computers. Now remember, if you ever need to transfer files into the Goflex Home when you're out on the road, you can always use Seagate Share. Just go to seagateshare.com. Log in with the name of your Goflex Home and your username and password. Choose the folder you want and click on the triangle at the bottom right of the folder and select Upload. Click Add File, navigate to the file you'd like, and click Upload. See? It's easy.